In this video, I'm going to personally reveal our $500,000 ad creative structure that has allowed us to scale our marketing efforts and consistently put our advertising on autopilot. After watching this video, you'll be able to create highly addictive video ad creatives that will allow you to capture your audience's attention immediately, learn how to leverage TikTok content and combine it with your marketing ads, learn exactly when and where to add specific animations, sounds, videos, and pictures to keep your viewers informed, and finally, how to add the right call to actions, which will drive users to your website and hopefully make a purchase. Let's dive into this video. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to eCom Street, the best channel for e-commerce content. You will not find a channel like this anywhere else. I promise you, we are providing value on the daily every single week on this channel. You don't want to miss out. Feel free to subscribe if you want to help us out. This video is going to be action-packed for you guys. Let's get into it. So for this video, I created an ad on Adobe Premiere Pro to show you exactly what a solid creative would look like for us when we advertise for our brand. For reference, this ad is for a fake teeth whitening brand, which I made content for the specifics of this video. You'll truly see how easy it is to make ads like this and how viral they can be. And you're gonna see exactly how that works. So before watching the rest of this video, I highly recommend getting yourself familiar with Adobe Premiere Pro and the app Canva. These two programs are essential for creating ads, and without these two programs, our ads will not be as good as they are today. So I highly recommend that you guys check those two out. So without further ado, guys, let's go and let's get this video started. I'm here in my Adobe Premiere Pro with the final ad created in front of me. I'm gonna show you the ad first and then slowly dissect each segment of the ad and explain why everything is used. Here we go. Smile every time. Alright, so I think that was a pretty dope ad if you ask me. And to be real, it's the exact same format we use for all of our creatives. It's simple, yet so effective. We don't do anything fancy, to be honest. We just understand marketing very well. We love to follow trends and see how customers are constantly changing when consuming content. For the longest time, we would create video ads that were almost a minute in length and be very formal and corporate. Those times have changed. We now do 15-second ads, just like you see on your TikTok feed, with a mixture of user-generated content and TikTok content. I want to let you guys know that we strongly advise that you use content that you own and not somebody else's from YouTube or from any other brands. Because number one, it's illegal, and number two, it's not going to get you very far when you are building your brand. Let's be real here, okay? You do not want to rip other people's content. Keep your content authentic, okay, guys? But other than that, let's see how I put this ad together. So first, I'm going to be talking about clip number 1 here, and this is what's called the scroll stopper. The scroll stopper is the first 1 to 3 second clip in your video that completely hooks the viewer without them even noticing. And now at this point, they're subconsciously viewing your ad. Our approach to the scroll stopper is to take a clip from your TikTok where you can see that beautiful white text and that black overlay that I just absolutely admire, and come up with a unique and viral hook. This is usually a statement or a question, and you can see what I wrote at the top, and it says, "My teeth are so white that they blinded someone." Now, I think that's a pretty engaging sentence if you ask me, which will make the viewers want to continue watching. Now, you always want a sentence that is controversial or leaving people wondering what's going to happen next. The main difference between us and other advertisers is that we produce ads that don't really look like ads at all. In fact, it's viral content that people generally enjoy. And this is why we're able to use sentences like this, which normally wouldn't be in traditional advertising. And now at the end of my scroll stopper, you'll see that I put a transition. This is a great way to suck in your viewers, and it triggers a difference of movement in the mind. When you watch a piece of content and it looks the same for too long, we tend to lose focus and scroll away. It's important to put transitions in after each clip, but also when necessary. And that's why I just love these scroll stoppers. It's the most important part of your ad, which will determine if people scroll by or stay watching. Let's continue. Clip number 2. This section of the ad is what I like to call the big 3. This clip, including the next 2, are going to be consisted of benefits and features of the product. It doesn't matter whether you have 2 benefits and 1 feature or vice versa. It just matters how you execute it. The first thing you notice in this clip is the bright color blue text that matches the logo on the box. This sentence is a benefit of the product. A brighter smile in seconds is a benefit. Simple to understand, right? In every ad that we make, we always make the words pop out of the screen. The reason we do this is so that the words feel like they're reaching out to them and making a statement versus seeing a piece of text pop up with no movement. It simply looks boring when you just have no animations or anything that's popping out of your viewers. If you guys are wondering how to do this, I've actually left a video link in the description to follow. You can make these edits in your ads if you really want to, so feel free to follow that video and use that information. The next thing I want to mention in this clip is the actual video. It's a video of the product in the box. With that statement, brighter smile in seconds, and a box of the product, you can see how someone will wonder what this product is actually going to be. And yes, this is how deep good advertisers really think. Gotta be the best, you know? And that's pretty much it for this clip. Let's dive into the next one. So guys, if you already think you've learned something from this video, or you feel like that you're about to absolutely just take what you learned in the first part and use it right away, feel free to give this video a thumbs up. I really appreciate this. We both do, from Corey and I. It will boost our video into the YouTube algorithm so it can be shown by more people. That way everyone's learning, and it's just better for everybody. So I really appreciate the follow and subscribe. Let's go. Now this one is what I like to call the showstopper. Every single one of our ads have a line animation that I personally draw 1 frame at a time on the product in Adobe After Effects. It simply brings the products to life, and it makes the ad look awesome. Again, if you need a video on how to do this, I left a video link in the description on how to make the line animations. Now the text you see is a feature of the product, the teeth whitener as a UV light, which theoretically makes your teeth whiter. The video part is the unboxing portion of the ad, where you can see the product and what it looks like. Nothing else to really say about this clip, considering the features are the same as the other pillars I described in the first clip. However, the next clip, which will also be part of the big 3, is going to be dissected pretty much the same. There's not much more you have to know, but I'm still going to talk about it just so you guys know. Clip number 4. Now again, another feature of the product, 3D white activating serum. When you buy the teeth whitener, it comes with the activating serum. I want you guys to keep in mind that you should only be using your best features and benefits of your product. And what I mean is your best selling points of your product. You don't want to use your big 3 section of your ad to mention the least attractive feature. In this case, the least attractive feature of this teeth whitening kit would probably be that it's battery powered, or that it's compact. Imagine that someone asks you, what are the 3 things that you're good at? You're not going to tell that person that you're good at washing dishes or that you can kick a soccer ball at your friend's head. You want to tell people, or that person, that you're good at, I'm good at speaking, or that I'm a good basketball player, or that I'm good at coding apps. These things that you tell this person are future growth opportunities. So it's kind of the same with ads or advertising. You want to always be providing the best features and benefits of your product. The purpose of these 15-second ads is to really throw everything you got at your audience and demonstrate that your product is worth buying. And that's why we show our best features and benefits when we advertise. Let's move on to the next clip. Clip number 5. This is personally my favorite clip, the testimonial section. This part of the ad will generally have someone's face with the product. They will say something like, you have to try this, or my skin looked better in 5 days. In this ad, I said, literally have a perfect smile every time. And now look, I'm sure someone else will come up with something better to say, but you guys get the idea, okay? In the background, you'll also notice that I added the sheesh sound effect, okay? I feel like this sound gives the ad character and experience someone can actually relate to. Let's say you pull up to the boy's crib, okay? You're having a cool night, you want to pull up to the boy's house, and now your teeth are 5 shades whiter from using this teeth whitening kit. I'm sure someone will notice something and compliment you. In today's day and age, if someone wants to compliment you, they'll just say, sheesh. And that's why it's relatable. And it's what good marketers do. They put videos, texts, pictures together, and they find ways to make it relatable and find experiences or struggles so that consumers can buy their product. Let's be real here. This whole sheesh thing just started happening. So why not implement it into an ad? Something I also usually do, but I didn't put in this video ad, is add captions so people can see what I'm saying. This is a totally optional thing, but it definitely helps with viewer retention. You can use the app called Veed. I'll put a link in the description so you guys can use it. It's basically just an auto transcribing app that will generate captions for your video. Pretty cool, right? I'm sure there's tons of notes that you guys have written down at this point, so I just want to say that I'm super happy that you've made it this far and that you've been watching this video. I'm super pumped for you guys to take action and learn everything that I'm talking about, because this is truly what we use in our video ad creatives. So feel free to give this video a like and a subscribe, and keep going here. And now the final clip. We're at the final stretch of this video, call to action. And now I'll be honest, I didn't have a logo of this product, so I just put the text that says logo at the top. I also put a smile to demonstrate the product is for teeth. It's very simple how I made this. All I did was go into Canva, make a quick background, and animate it. It's free to use and very simple to navigate through. We personally use Canva for a lot of our advertising and for these quick little animations that you see on that black screen. It's a very simple app, like I'd mentioned, and I highly recommend that you guys get it. And that's pretty much it, guys. This structure has literally helped us generate thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of dollars on our Shopify stores. It's really incredible, and it doesn't take a lot of work, I'll be honest with you. All you have to do is really understand your product and really understand your demographic. That way there, you can come up with benefits, features, cool sentences, engaging sentences, and the proper call to actions. And I promise you guys, if you follow this structure and this new way of marketing, I guarantee that you will see a much better performance in your ads. Don't take it from me, guys. Look at the numbers when you run these kind of ads and you will notice a difference. So I just want to say thank you for watching this video again. I really appreciate everyone that's been supporting us recently on the channel. And if you haven't already, please give this video a thumbs up and a subscribe if you did enjoy it. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care.